Parts of Hampshire County saw some of the area's most significant snowfall from last night's storm. 22 News reporter Hector Molina is live from our Hampshire County Bureau, where he was tracking post-storm activities.
Well, guys, it was a day of cleanup and some fun for East Hampton residents following the season's first serious snow. One week before Thanksgiving, Western Massachusetts woke up to a landscape covered with a blanket of snow Friday morning. Do you think it's too early to have snow, even though it's in November?
Kind of, yes.
Yeah, why is that?
Because it's not supposed to be this cold in fall.
But Tarlo made the most of his day off from school, crafting the heavy, wet snow into a snowman in his front yard. Thursday's storm covered much of Hampshire County, with areas in East Hampton receiving up to 9 inches of snow. East Hampton and Southampton received two of the highest totals in Hampshire County, with both communities receiving just under 10 inches of snow.
Just looks pretty, you know, you get to look up on the mountain and stuff, and it just makes everything look clean and nice.
And as for the cleanup?
Oh, you know, that's not as fun at all. That's one of the least fun things about snow, is all the cleanup.
This was heavy, wet snow, the kind that makes you work to clear it. But it was no problem for this East Hampton resident.
Snow blower, took me about 15 minutes, one driveway, and a little bit of sidewalk, that's about it.
Thursday's average temperature of 29 degrees in Northampton was below average temperature for the month of November. Now, today's warmer temperatures helped melt some of the snow that we got last night.